The HPD extension identifies an AutoCAD plot stamp settings file containing plot stamp configuration data for drawing output documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you configure or troubleshoot these AutoCAD plot settings files. My experience tells me that some HPD files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. HPD files are plot stamp settings, files for Autodesk AutoCAD, storing configuration parameters for plot stamps applied to printed drawings. They define what information appears in the plot stamp, including drawing name, date, time, plot scale, and user-defined text fields. AutoCAD HPD files use a text or binary configuration format, storing plot stamp parameters including stamp location, font size, included fields such as file name, date, login name, and custom text strings. They are referenced during plot output to apply consistent documentation stamps. For managing HPD files, the best dedicated software is Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk Inc. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows offers only basic viewing, so documentation or specialized tools are needed to interpret the settings. The first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the HPD file and click Open With. Test Autodesk AutoCAD if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. When your HPD file does not open, it is usually a small issue. We're close to getting this fixed. If the file is still giving you problems, we've narrowed the cause to 3 items. Here are the culprits and the precise checks required. First, configuring plot stamps. In AutoCAD, navigate to File, then Plot Stamp Settings, or type Plot Stamp at the command line. Configure which fields to include in the stamp, such as drawing name, date, time, and scale. Save the configuration as an HPD file for consistent reuse. Next, applying during plotting. Enable plot stamps in AutoCAD's plot dialog by checking the Plot Stamp checkbox. Select your HPD configuration file to apply the saved stamp settings to all plots. The stamp appears in the designated corner of every printed drawing with the configured information. Finally, sharing settings. Copy HPD files to a shared network location for team-wide plot stamp consistency. Configure AutoCAD's support file search path to include the shared location. All team members reference the same HPD file, ensuring uniform plot stamp formatting across the organization. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.